Hello everyone, peace, much love. This video is going to be my No Frills grocery haul. I got only a few things and they were pretty much all on sale, except for the onions. So here we go. I got a 3-pound bag of onions for $2.47. I got one container of lean ground pork, originally $10.52 for $7.36. It was 30% off. I like to get my meat at 30% off. I've learned, having a No Frills across the road, to go and check periodically, especially around Fridays, because they are getting their new stock on Saturday, Sunday, and some on Friday, so they start putting things down, so they want to get it before it goes out of date. This pack of lean ground pork originally was $10.56. I got it for $7.39. And then I got one more pack of lean ground pork, my third pack. $10.61 was the original price. I got it for $7.42. I got 2 cans of diced tomatoes, no salt added. A package of Italian seasoning for 99 cents. That is for a recipe that I'm making on Monday in my Instapot. And I got 3 packages of Black Diamond sliced cheese for $2 each. So that is my grocery haul, No Frills grocery haul. It was a small one, but I did major shopping prior, and I lost the video, or I would have posted it, I'm sorry. So this is a top up and some things for a recipe, like the canned tomatoes, the seasoning, and the onions. They're for a recipe, the recipe I'm making in my Instapot on Monday or Tuesday. And I'm going to give a shout out to Lemonade Mom for getting me to start looking into Instapots. I'm already loving the idea of it and I haven't even started using it yet. Peace, much love, bye-bye for now.